Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create or make a logo on Canva. So you want to make a logo for your business and you're looking for the easiest way to do it. This is the video for you. Now the first thing you have to do is to go to the Canva app or the mobile version or even the web version and click on templates here. The easiest way, you can also search for it in this search bar here, but you can click on this template here and then click on scroll and click on the logo icon. It will bring you a variety of templates, logo templates to choose from. Now you can just sample through all of this logo till you find the one that speaks to you, and then you can go ahead to create the logo of your choice. So let's assume I love this particular logo and I have a particular brand that fits this. I can click on it, then go ahead to customize the logo by clicking on this customize this template. There I can add my brand name, my business, or whatever name I would love to add. So uh, let's say my name is my business, or what I'm looking to customize is something like let me say Vic. Let me say is a Victor Wears or something, or Victors. Let me just Victors. I can reduce the I can reduce it and even change this. Take it here, Victor. Let me just put yes. And you can also put a tagline beneath just to make it to customize it. Let me just say your let me just put your aura. Should I put your aura machine or your aura home or just something like that, just to make it catchy for your tagline area. So this is just how to, and once you're done you can export this, and you can also select, if you no longer love the design, you can click on the design section and select any other click on logo and you would see template. No, so sorry, click on design, it was in elements. Click on the design and then you will see other premium templates for you. I'll advise you to get the premium Canva version, but if you do not have the premium Canva version, you can go for the free ones and still achieve what you want to achieve with that. So if you've learned a lot in this video, please leave a comment below and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day, guys.